Welcome to the world where soft twinkling lights shine like stars, where winter worships through the windows and every corner of the home glows with love. Welcome to the Christmas time. Today we are decorating together not just with ornaments, ribbons, and pine cones, but with memories, stories, and heart. Because Christmas decoration are never only thing, they are teeny piece of love placed gently around our home. Once upon a winter evening, the family gathered in the living room. Outside, the wind was cool and a soft, peaceful silence covered the street. But inside, the home was warm, filled with excitement. The big box of Christmas decoration was brought out, the one that only appears once a year. And as the box opened, it felt like opening a treasure chest. Inside were ornaments of many kinds, some old, some new, some handmade, and some collected over the years. Each ornament had a story. First, we began with something simple and natural pine cones. Pine cones are gift from nature made by forest. We can paint them with white to look like snow. We can tie ribbon on them, not golden or rustic jute rope. We can add glitter, teeny beads, or small bells, hang them on the Christmas tree, place them on the dining table, or making cozy centerpiece with candles and pine branches. Pine cones remind us beauty does not need to be expensive something, and sometimes the most beautiful things are free, waiting for us to notice them. Next came the ornament start had been kept for many years, a little wooden angle with a teeny smile, a handmade star cut from paper the first year the family moved in, a small glass ball, slightly cracked but still shining. These ornaments are not perfect, but they held stories, memories of laughter, gatherings, and love. As they use place on the tree, it feels like decorating with moments, not decoration. Christmas reminds us the age, scratches, and imperfection do not take away beauty, they add meaning. Then they began to create new ornaments, crochet snowflakes, paper stars, jute wrap ornaments, dried orange slices, hanging light teeny suns. Handmade decoration adds something special. They carry our time and our touch. While making them, the home filled with warmth, not from the heater, but from the love put into every handmade piece. And these ornaments become memories for many winters to come. This Christmas tree slowly came alive, golden lights wrap around like a warm hug, ribbon flowered gently down like soft streams, small bells were added ready to dance with every breeze, and when the light were finally switched on, the room glowed not just for the bulb but from the love everyone placed into decorating together. This is the magic of Christmas. It's turned ordinary moments into unforgettable memories. In the end, Christmas decorations are not about perfection, not about spending a lot of money, not about making the house look expensive. Christmas decorations are about warmth, family, memories, love. Whether you decorate with simple paper craft or sparkling ornaments, whether your tree is big, small, whether your home is quiet or full of laughter, the true decoration is the happens in your heart. So this Christmas, hang your ornament gently, place your pine cones beautifully, tie your ribbon with love, and let everyone decorate decoration be a reminder of peace and togetherness. Because Christmas is not just a season, it's a feeling, a warm, glowing feeling that lives inside your home and inside your heart. In every video, I am saying Christmas is not how much you spend, it's just feelings. So, gather your family, your kids, your brothers, your friends, enjoy upcoming Christmas event. I wish and I pray for you. God bless you all. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends and family if you like. And one more thing, I really appreciate, I'm already said that your support is energy and I need this energy. So keep supporting, keep watching my channel. Love you all. Must share your thoughts and your comments. God bless you.